Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace power steering pump on 2006 Subaru Outback. Start by parking on level ground, disconnecting the negative battery terminal, and collecting tools like a wrench set, socket set, drain pan, and gloves. Always use jack stands if lifting the vehicle and wear eye protection. I will walk you step by step through loosening the belt, removing hoses, unbolting the pump, swapping components, and refilling. Begin with the engine off and wheels straight, then loosen the serpentine belt tensioner and remove the belt. Position a drain pan under the pump area and disconnect the return hose to drain fluid, then remove the high-pressure line carefully to avoid spills. Unbolt the pump mounting bolts, keeping track of any washers or spacers. I'll remind you to inspect pulley condition and compare the old pump to the new one before installation. Fit the new pump into position and hand start the mounting bolts, then torque them evenly to the recommended values. Reattach the high-pressure and return hoses with new seals if available, then reinstall the serpentine belt and ensure proper tension. Top up the reservoir with the specified power, steering fluid, and prime the system by turning the wheel lock to lock with the engine off. Then start the engine and bleed air until steering feels consistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.